Welcome to your daily 4-minute tarot reading. This is going to be for Monday, January 28th. Now, I do want to make the announcement I've been doing February readings for each zodiac sign. I have already done the fire signs, earth signs, water, and air. You will be released today through tomorrow, so keep an eye out for those. Let's get on to Monday's energy. Okay, so the cards that you got, the first one was the Six of Wands, and it came in reverse. And this really talks about knowing that you are moving forward, feeling like there's something shifting, but there might be a little resistance, there might be a little hesitance to that. And that hesitance or that resistance manifests in a lot of different ways. So that coming right before the Page of Swords. The Page of Swords is talking about ideas. It's talking about like a shift in ideas or new ideas, even new forms of communication, new forms of how you perceive yourself in this world, your outlook in this world, but they're all new. And so with all of this, and so the last card that you got, the Hierophant, also talks about that. It talks about like crumbling old belief systems and kind of starting new, stepping into the new. So with all this newness, these new thoughts, these new ideas, you knowing that you're going on a new path, there's some just subconscious resistance that is very natural anytime we go through a process like this. So the first card that came out, the Six of Wands, is just gentle encouragement to say, keep going. Now the Page of Swords is excited. The Page of Swords is young and ready to conquer the world. But the Page of Swords card also comes with guidance to recenter yourself. When you're getting like an overload of ideas and like, I could do this and I could go here and what about this? Then it could make, that also sparks some resistance. It makes you feel a little overwhelmed. So what you want to do and what you're being encouraged to do today with these new ideas, with this new guidance, is to take a step back, look at things practically, evaluate what aligns with your soul, with your values. That's really where the Hierophant comes in. What is truly aligning with you, where you want to go, and what you can sustain long term. So we're not trying to like push. We're trying to take a step back and say, is this something I can do every day for the next year? You know, that's just an example, obviously. And so take how that resonates with you. And again, this can be career. This is just like a shifting of your belief systems, a shifting how you view the world, how you are in relationships, possibly a shift in relationships, in communications with others. I'm feeling like standing up for yourself for some of you, really standing in your beliefs. Again, with the Hierophant, it's talking about shedding, getting rid of old belief systems that no longer serve you. And that can be a little frightening. That can cause some fear, cause some resistance. But the cards are saying like, this is something that the universe gave you these insights for a reason. So even if you don't see anybody else thinking this way or doing these things, trust in yourself. Like you could really be shaking up the systems as we know it. And that's for the better. But just kind of ground yourself in some practicality as well. Now, I pulled a guidance oracle deck from our angels and ancestors, and what we got was the Trader, and it says exchange energy to create abundance. So I'm feeling like there are some shifts in career paths, life paths, possibly starting businesses. This can also be speaking to the shifting of relationship energy. So just really pay attention today to the energy that you're putting into things. Make sure it's coming from alignment and love. All right, my time is up. Have a beautiful day.